Hi, welcome to ACC, Al's Camera Corner. If you are new here, please like and subscribe and hit that bell notification so you know when I upload a video. I will be reviewing things like cameras, camera gear, tech, and even some DIY stuff for gear, for camera gear, stuff like that. And I will also be doing some live events, as in Q&A, maybe a couple of quick edits, show you the process of how I do things. I'm not the best, but I'll get there. And even maybe from time to time I'll do a live review of tech gear or camera gear. Anyways, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. I know you want to. You're going to. Trust me, I know you are. Also hit the like button. Oh, before I forget, comment down below and let me know what you'd like to see in the near future of reviews, and I'll see if I can do it. Anyways, peace out, and for the fun of it, ciao. Thanks for watching, guys.